So again, if you want to edit the ebook mockup, you click on the link in your email, use template for new design, again click, and it's only 2 pages, but I will show you how you can actually add more and how you can upload the PDF, the images, what I do, what is my trick, if I want to showcase what is actually in the ebook. So we created the ebook in a previous video. If you missed it, it's gonna be below video. I'll try to link it in this video so you know where to go. We created our free ebook in Canva, in free account with Canva. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually create a mockup, okay? So we're going to open our PDF. I have it already here. What you're gonna find here, search, we're gonna click snippet, and we're gonna use snipping tool. Again, I don't know for Apple, I always use Windows, so you just need to probably Google it, like how you can do a screenshot with Apple or snippet tool if it does have. We're just gonna highlight the section we want, and when we go back to our Canva, and just pretty much paste. There you go, and it pastes here, but when you drag and drop it, there we go, it pastes here. So, and you do that for every single page. Well, not every single page you want to showcase, you want to show off. So let's do this one. Back to our design. Again, Control V on the keyboard or paste, and when you drag it, you can put it behind. And you can see I already added this shadow behind, so you don't have to worry about like adding special effects, but if you want, you can change it. So when you go to edit photo, you have these effects here, shadows, and you can have a different one if you want. So we have drop, outline, glow. You can use different angle, you can use different color, you can move it up and down where you want, intensity. So you can really play with it, okay, like where you want to position it. Now, once you design one like this, make sure that the rest of them also have the same one. So you copy the style, so click on the main one, and then you highlight it, the one you want to change, and here we are. But you know it looks weird, so we have this button here under, and we go back. Or Control Z. Okay, it's not changing. There we go. No, because we completely messed it, let's just go completely back. Control Z. We just go completely back. Okay, and once you copy images like that, what actually is going to happen, they're going to appear here in your gallery, so you can do the same process like this. Obviously change the name of your ebook. Here you have a free one without the text if you want to download that one. And I'm going to show you how you can add another one. So go to elements, put frame into search, and here when you scroll down, you have actually different elements. So you have ebook cover, so you have your book cover actually. So when you do that, you go to your uploads, you have your image like this, and it already looks like ebook, so you can have this one as well. You can download it, make sure it's in the center. And yeah, next one, if you want to have more, let's go back to elements, put frame, we can have it like this. But what you can also add is open ebook. So you got this open ebook. You can maybe tilt it to the side if you want, like this. Go to our uploads, and then you just drag things where you want. There you go. Maybe have another one. Maybe use this image. So you're gonna snippet tool new. Gonna highlight what we want. Yeah. And paste it here. Uploads. Oh, it's already here. There you go. Like this. Okay. And then you can position it as well if you want, because obviously it's not kind of cut the corners, but you can make it smaller, bigger, like this. There you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can do your mockups, and the same process, change the name of your mockup. So tips to be happy, tips to navigate to life, I don't know, midlife, and then you share, click download, you download PNG. Again, we already have probably watermark or something. If we don't, perfect, we don't have anything, so it's free. And then you downloaded it, and once we're ready, we're gonna put them in our funnel. If you're new to this channel, again, I am giving you free ebook funnel, completely free on a free account. You don't need to pay for anything. It's below this video. You just need to sign up, and you will get these mockups in an email. 65-page lead magnet template in Canva. If you already done all these steps, in the next video I'm going to show you how you can edit your funnel.